तो राहुल गांधी की और रुकनियत रद्द होने के मामले में कांग्रेस सड़कों पर है। इसी बीच शशि थरूर क्या कुछ कह रहे हैं, आइए सुनते हैं।
Our democracy, when you're talking about jailing a principal opposition figure in a country where we have a prime minister who speaks to the world about India as the mother of democracy, I really ask our public, is this good for our country? Let's forget party politics, let's forget everything else. What is good for our country? And to my mind, what is absolutely clear is that this is damaging India. It's not damaging Rahul Gandhi. He's shown in his press conference yesterday he's strong and determined to fight this. It's not damaging the Congress party. We're more united than ever. It's not damaging the opposition because all the opposition parties have come out and spoken in support. It's damaging India, and that's something which I think every Indian should care about. That's my message today to the people. Absolutely. There's no question about this. Because frankly, something much larger than our political interest in winning an election or anything is at stake. It is about the very system of democracy itself. A system in which people should be free to speak, free to express their views, free to challenge the government with questions, hold the government accountable. This was the vision of opposition that Mr. Modi himself had called for. He had repeatedly said he wants a strong opposition, he wants to be questioned. But when tough questions are asked, is this the appropriate reaction? We are truly disappointed in the way in which the mother of democracy is behaving with her own children. Thank you.
Thank you so much.